Atlas Space Operations provides mission integration services as well. When you sign up to join our network, the first thing that you will encounter is our Copilot software. This is a feature with a graphical user interface that allows you to see where you are in the process of integrating with us. Phase 1 is data integration. That means we collect some information from you about your spacecraft. We collect some sample data files so that we can play that back at a later stage. Phase 2 is the API integration. During this phase, you are expected to exercise our API to request time on our antennas. And this is all done in our test network, which is a fully featured network. That means you can be sure that you burn down the risk of integrating with the API and that you get playback through our TT&C live stream. You can also issue commands to ensure that the data flows through our system and makes it to a modem. So phase 3 is the test phase, where we've already integrated with the API, and now we need to establish that the actual either virtual software modem or actual hardware has a configuration that supports your satellite, and that when you issue commands through our TT&C system, it makes it all the way to the modem. And through the metrics we collect, we verify every step of the way. Atlas Space Operations knows exactly how many bytes went into the modem and out of the modem for every pass we've ever taken historically. So in this way, we leverage our software to make sure that we burn down the risk for our customers. Additionally, we have something called Atlas in a Box. When you've integrated with the API in phase 2 and you've provided or completed the test integration, we have to take this Atlas in a Box, which is a rack of hardware. We deliver it to your location where you plug it into a BenchSat or FlatSat, and the box acts as a real ground site on our test network. So now you can actually test end-to-end with your spacecraft in the loop with all of the metrics and all of the features of the production network. Once that phase 3 is complete, then you enter into our production network and you've burned down the risk sufficiently such that when you fly your spacecraft, you can fly with confidence.